Let's go to Claire in Lake Mary. Claire, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Hello.
Hello.
I have a question about wills. My husband and I have not made one up. We need to. We're kind of getting up there in age. What is the difference between a will that goes to probate versus a will that is a trust will?
Okay. Claire, what you may be asking, what's the difference between a will and a living trust? Either one of those documents is going to dictate what happens to your wealth when you and your husband have both passed away. But a will require that your assets go through probate. A living trust would be a way to avoid probate on your assets.
Oh, okay, because I think I'd rather go the second because I don't want to get everybody else involved in that.
Yeah, most people want to avoid probate, make things simple and easy for their kids. Now, Claire, we have some simple tools for avoiding probate, and we talk about them in our workshops. And in our workshops, wills, trusts, and easy ways to avoid probate, that'd be a great place for you to come and listen to one of our workshops and get these tools on easy ways to avoid probate. Now, Chrissy, when are we doing another workshop?
We are doing our next workshop in a few weeks, so if you can call or text me at 407-808-8398 or call our office at 407-423-5561. I am happy to give you more information and dates, and we would love to have you join because that time would really help to clarify things for you.
Yeah, so our next workshop on wills, trust, and easy ways to avoid probate. Now, Claire, you can also just come see me next week, and I can go through it with you. But, Claire, does that answer your questions for you?
Yes, it does. It absolutely does. Thank you, guys. So the number was 407 to call to get the information. Was 407
to call or text Chrissy is 407-808-8398. 407-808-8398. Now, by the way, when I do wills for people, I typically do a package of 4 documents. I do the will itself. I do a living will declaration where you ask that you not be kept alive by artificial means. I do a durable power of attorney for health care. So if you're not able to, you're appointing somebody to decide what doctors, what hospitals, what medications, and a durable power of attorney for financial affairs. So if you're not able to, you're appointing somebody to pay your bills and manage your affairs for you. All of those documents, things that I recommend, and you can welcome to call us, and we'd be happy to do them for you at 407-808-8398. Now, sometimes you're going to call a lawyer, and the first words out of your mouth might be, hey, I want to avoid probate, and the first words out of a lawyer's mouth will be, hey, you need a living trust. I'm telling you that there are some simpler tools available to some people, or actually most people, to avoid probate, and we can certainly tell you about those as well. And if you own a bunch of properties, like we had a caller earlier, he had 49 rental properties, well then, yes, a living trust would be appropriate for him. So again, you're welcome to call our office next week anytime. And by the way, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, all the lawyers at my office, including me, we are always happy to give you a few minutes of free legal advice right over the telephone at 407-423-5561. And you can always email your legal questions to us through our website. That site is lawtube.com, like YouTube, but lawtube.com. You'll find our videos, you'll find a link to our Facebook page, and you can subscribe to get our latest videos from our YouTube channel. Hey, everybody, thanks so much for all your great calls and questions. I do so much appreciate it. If I may, a suggestion for you, go outdoors and take pleasure in the beauty of nature, and as always, enjoy your friends and family. My name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law. You're listening to News 96.5.